Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you all Matani Pachedi folk art, for which I have taken acrylic paints. You can also take poster paints or rangila paints, or you can use all of them depending on which type of painting or the folk art we are going to do. Then paint brushes, water, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette, stationery like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, permanent marker, thick and thin both, color pencils, crayons and sketch pens. Matani Pachedi is a 300-year-old sacred textile art from Gujarat, often called the Kalamkari of Gujarat. Hand painted or block printed on cotton using natural dyes, it features the mother goddess surrounded by mythological narratives. Traditionally, it served as a portable shrine for marginalized nomadic communities. Translating to behind the mother goddess, it was created by the nomadic Vaghri community to serve as portable temple like shrines when they were historically denied entry to traditional temples. The artwork prominently features the mother goddess, such as Durga, Kali, or local manifestations at the center, surrounded by her animal vehicle and mythological narratives. It is traditionally hand painted using natural dyes. Deep red symbolizes energy and divine blood. Black is used for spiritual protection, derived from iron and jaggery, and white represents purity. Artisans use bamboo pens and hand carved wooden blocks to outline, mordant dye, and repeatedly wash and boil the cotton fabric. The Chitara family, including artists like Vasant Chitara and Roshan Chitara, are renowned keepers of this generational craft. Rooted deeply in faith and storytelling, today these intricately designed textiles are cherished globally as wall hangings and collectors' items rather than just temporary backdrops for shrines. Often called the Kalamkari of Gujarat, Matani Pachedi shares technical similarities with the Sri Kalahasti style of Kalamkari, such as the use of the Kalam pen and natural dyes. However, while Kalamkari narratives span epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, Matani Pachedi focuses exclusively on goddess imagery. Moreover, Matani Pachedi integrates block printing while Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari remains purely freehand. The tradition is believed to The tradition is believed to be at least 300 to 400 years old, with community oral histories suggesting a lineage extending back 700 to 1000 years. Its inception is attributed to caste based exclusion, which barred the Devi Pujak community from mainstream Hindu temples. In response, they began painting their own sacred images of the goddess on cloth, effectively creating mobile places of worship. These textiles were often used to construct makeshift shrines, typically with 4 or 5 panels arranged together. The Devi Pujak community, historically nomadic and marginalized under British rule as a criminal tribe, has long been associated with ritual practices centered around the goddess. Within the community, specific roles were delineated. Chitaras as painters, Bhuvas as ritual priests, and Jagoriyas narrative singers. The voiceover and information provided in the video are strictly sourced from Google search results. This channel does not claim ownership or original authorship of the facts presented. All views and facts belong to their respective original sources. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.